Hola! Welcome to Travel and Learn and to our fourth Spanish lesson. Today we'll start with some revision. So, do you still remember how to say hello, good morning? Hola, buenos días. What about good afternoon or good evening? Well, how are you? Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? What's his name? ¿Cuál es su nombre? His name is. Su nombre es. What about asking where someone is from? ¿De dónde eres? I am from. Yo soy de. Very good. So today we will talk about family. Let's learn the name of some family members. So for example, you want to know what's the name of a friend's father. So you will ask that friend, what's your father's name? ¿Cómo se llama tu padre? ¿Cómo se llama tu padre? Father is padre and mother will be madre. Brother, hermano, and sister, hermana. Then for your cousin brother, it will be primo, and your cousin sister will be prima. For your uncle, tío, and aunt, tía. When you're referring to a couple, husband and wife, husband will be marido or esposo, and the wife will be mujer or esposa. What about grandfather and grandmother? Grandfather is abuelo and grandmother is abuela. And then for your godfather, padrino, godmother, madrina. Finally, your father-in-law is suegro and your mother-in-law, suegra. Padre, madre, hermano, hermana, primo, prima, abuela, abuelo, tío, tía, marido or esposo, mujer or esposa, padrino, madrina, suegro, suegra. So I hope you're learning with these lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our Instagram and Facebook pages, Travel and Learn. Thank you. Adios.